Hello guys, so this is a brand new video again. This is gonna be restoration on these pair. These are a pair of qc35s. Bose. They're pretty scratched up. I've worn these a lot. Surprisingly, one of the ear muffs is like completely broken, and it kind of sucks. And one of the ear muffs just fell off. And I'm gonna just try to make this all look better today, and I'll show you all the things. I'm gonna try to make this more of a chiller video to watch, so there's gonna be a lot of cinematics, just chiller, me doing things. More just a music video, and I'll show you me fixing these up. So yeah, I'm gonna show you in 3, 2, 1. People, I just finished putting on the covers. Now I'm gonna paint all the pieces, and I'm gonna fix the wire on the left side. So yeah, 3, 2, 1.